Back again with the foam roller. Talked about how I feel about it, how it might be useful to you, and two techniques that are very basic but are a great start when it comes to using this, whether it be at the beginning or at the end of your training. Now we just kind of wonder, you might be looking at this and thinking this is a torture device, or you've used it already and you've opted to one of the smoother ones that isn't as aggressive, which I encourage you to do so. Start with something with a little bit more give before you start getting into the torture devices of sort. But you do want to think about, like I said before, on how it's making you feel and what it's doing. And if your body is just jacked up and freaking out, the entire system can just have the handbrake on. And this trying to create a certain feeling can go sideways. So here's where we use the breathing to get you to chill out and get you to kick down and see if you can get a more positive or a better feel-good response from using something like this. So what I'm going to get you to do is think when you're running through that little slow wave of pressure, and this is kind of the best moment for it, to put you in a space where you're trying to kick the body down, you might get to one of those little gnarly parts, and you'll start to tighten up, and you'll jack up, and you're trying to support your body, and you're freaking out. It's not the intent. It's at least not what we're trying to get out of it. We need the body to kick down and accept what this is trying to do. So find a position that allows you to at least hold your body in a spot that you're not jacked up. And then what I want you to do when you get to that gnarly spot where you start to make that face is I want you to take a slow, deep breath in. A long exhale through the mouth. Do that a couple times if you need to, and then start working back around that area. Remember, if your body's jacked up and resisting the whole thing, you're likely not going to get that positive response that we're looking to get when we use this thing anyways. So take a breath, see if you can kick things down, take a few more if you're having some difficulty with it, and use it as an opportunity to pace your breathing and put your body in a space where it'll be acceptable to this passive input. So again, you need to create an environment that's accepting. Give that a go. Then get that working. Give it a try.